mini project. So here we are going to use as air quality sensor MQ135. This is the sensor, and we are going to display in the LCD whether the surrounding is polluted or fresh, whether the air is fresh or polluted. And when the air is fresh, here to be written that air is fresh, and this green LED will be glowing. Okay, and when the pollution level in the air will be high, here a message will come that it's polluted, and this red color light will be on, and also the buzzer will be ringing. So etur karone amak etia connections khini moi bujai lo. So now what we have to take that from the components, we are using Arduino, a LCD board, a potentiometer. This potentiometer is basically to drive this LCD for the brightness. We are going to use a buzzer, okay, so that it gives a output signal, or it makes some sound when to alert us about the situation of pollution. And also we will take one gas sensor which will monitor the level of pollution in the air. Now basically what this gas monitor is, that here it can sense nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide, and some polluting gases. Okay, when it is over polluted, a certain level will reach, okay, and according to that level we'll get the beep sound or a signal here. So we have to at first take a threshold that after this value we can consider the air to be polluted, and below this level the air is unpolluted. Okay, so the connections I will show you now. This LCD connection we have already discussed in 2 experiments before. Okay, we are using 4 data lines. These two values are grounded, and one is given VCC, here also grounded, then VCC. Now one more thing, you see, wait. Now you can see, since the value of this pollution or air quality is a variable quantity, so we have used the output from this sensor to A0, since it's an analog input. Okay, and we have connected 2 LEDs. You can see one is red LED, one is green LED. Green to display that it is in safe mode, red to alert us as a danger signal. Now this red LED is connected to pin number 9, green LED is connected to pin number 10. Okay, and this buzzer output is connected to pin number 8. So total you can say that we have this one output from this pin number 8, 2 outputs for these 2 LEDs, and also the data lines for this LCD. Okay, and we have an input signal from this buzzer to pin number A0. Okay, other connections are simple. It is looking like a very complex one, but if you connect one by one, like suppose at first you connect the LCD, okay, as discussed before, next you connect the buzzer. Okay, it has only 2 inputs, one is the signal and another is grounded. Similarly LEDs also, you know, one pin is cathode is grounded and the anode is connected to the particular output pin of the Arduino. So this is simple. So I will show you the coding now. Okay, if you see for this LCD we have taken a library function liquidcrystal.h. we have taken RS pin at pin number 12, enable pin of this LCD to pin number 11, and the data lines D4, 5, 6, 7. These 4 pins are connected to 5432 of this Arduino board. This is what it is written here. That we have initialized 2 variables like red LED, green LED. Without initialization also it will do, but we have just initialized to make it clear. Pin number 9 and green LED at pin number 10, and we have taken a buzzer. Okay, and the output from the buzzer is connected to pin number 8 of the Arduino board, and also the output from the gas sensor is taken as smoke A0 and it is connected to A0. Now we will take a threshold value of 400. That means we will consider that till 400 there is no pollution, air is fresh. Once it crosses the level of 400, we will consider that the air is polluted. So below 400, this green LED will be glowing, and here it will be written as the value of the smoke level. Okay, and if the value crosses 400, this red LED will be glowing. See, red LED will be glowing and it will show alert. That means the room is polluted, you have to move out from the room. Okay, and also the buzzer will sound. Okay, so we are getting three output signals, one at the buzzer, another at the LED, and another at the display screen. Okay, now let us check. You just go through once the codings. This is the initialization part, this is setting up part, that means pin mode. This red LED is connected at the output, that means pin number 10 is output. Buzzer, that is pin number 8 is output. Then smoke A0 is also input, right? Okay, one more thing is not written here, I will write down. Control C, Control V. Okay, here I will write pin number 10 is also output, right? Pin number 10 is also output, that is this green LED is also the output. Okay, then this is the initialization part. Serial monitor will display you the value from this gas sensor. Okay, so in the looping part, what it is done is this analog, we have considering another variable analog sensor, and it will record the value that is sent to A0. Okay, this analog, it will read the value at A0. Now whatever value is read here, it will be displayed in the serial monitor as pin A0 equal to the value. Okay, and it will also print here LCD.print analog level and LCD.print the analog value. Okay, now you see, if this value is greater than threshold, and we have considered the threshold as 400. If it is greater than threshold, what will happen? This red LED will be high, digital red LED high, and here it will be written alert. Okay, and also this will be turned off, this LED, right? Otherwise, what will happen? If it is less than the threshold, what will happen? Else this will be glowing, pin number 10, and this pin number 12, or you can say red LED, will be low. Okay, also this buzzer will be high, you can see no tone buzzer will be ringing, and here LCD.print normal, that means there is no pollution, so normal will be displayed here. Okay, this will be continuously going in a loop because the pollution level may change. Okay, so it will be going on a loop. Okay, now I will run and show the program. Okay, smoke is here, right? I will bring the smoke level outside. That means now in this place we don't have smoke, or the air is not polluted. So what is happening, you see right now. In this LCD, the display is showing the value of at A0 what value is going. It is displaying that value. It is less than 400, right? So now it is showing normal here. Buzzer is not ringing and green LED is glowing. Okay. Now what I will do, I will bring it nearer. Okay, I'll bring it nearer. You see 300, more nearer. Okay, more nearer. See, it has crossed the level of 400. Now what is happening, you can see. This green LED is turned off, right? This red LED is glowing, and this buzzer is also ringing, right? So I'm closing this. Okay, is it clear how it is done? So I'll give the link of this Tinkercad tutorial. You can just modify there. If you want, you can change the LCD coding, whatever is written lcd.print. Okay, you can change the threshold value and see. Okay, so this is what we can say a simple air quality sensor or pollution sensor. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.